Sometimes you just need a toy hauler. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the toy hauler you need. It's the 2025 Outlaw 29J. I'm gonna take you on a real quick tour. We'll start by walking down all 31 feet, 2 inches of length, opening up storage bay number 1. Whatever you need right in here. Nice rotocast material. It is durable, and the great thing about having rotocast material on your toy hauler is you know you're going somewhere dirty and muddy because you have your garage loaded with all your fun stuff, right? Throw all of the dirty gear in there. Worry about it when you get home. Want to point out, you're also going to get the SmoothTECH Suspension system on your 29J. Now what SmoothTECH is going to do is upgrade your rear leaf spring connection. You get more travel in your leaf spring, you get more travel in your axle. That results in a smoother ride for your passengers, not a stiff ride. So anybody sitting out back, kick up, watch the smart TV we'll show you, and just enjoy the ride in your 29J. When you're outside, you're gonna plug in something here to make yourself a nice cold drink. Maybe it's one of those, I didn't think we needed one, Ninja Creamies. You know what I'm talking about? You plug that in, you pull your base out of the freezer, 12-volt freezer in there, we'll show you. You connect it and then you make up like the best frozen stuff on a hot day like today. That's what you're gonna plug in there. Then you can sit outside. You have your camping chair set up, which you're gonna store right here. Those are set up. Now you're watching the smart TV. Whatever you want right here, because your 29J comes standard with the Winegard ConnecT 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Set up your own hotspot. Watch your smart TV out here, smart TV inside, or even connect to your mobile device, your laptop, get some work done, whatever it is you can do. Awning right here. Throw that awning out, create some shade. You're going to need it. The sun is roasting us alive today. That's all right. You have 100 watts of solar on top. So your awning is out, you're cooled off, you're getting those batteries charged, everybody wins. And then it's hungry time, right? You get hungry, you don't want hangry kids on board. Right here, exterior propane connection, connect to grill, connect to griddle, cook up your outdoor barbecue. Or maybe you want to hang out under this awning and climb up the patio. This is what you need in toy hauler. So the ramp is going to give you a 2,500 pound capacity. This also makes into a patio, so you can kick back out here. Maybe your campsite is right out there and it's a lake. You put this awning out, you relax, you're enjoying it. 1,800 pound capacity and patio configuration. And then we are into the garage. 1,000 pounds back here. You have this nice diamond plate non-slip tread. Tie downs back here. If you want to just hang out back here, you can pull your curtains. These will tie up, so just magnetize those together. Now you have a nice breeze, but the bugs are staying out. Storage here as well for all the gear, for whatever it is you've loaded in here. You have a shelf, 110s, 12-volt, dedicated air conditioning unit back here, another television, nice toolbox back here, a stereo, you have vents back here as well. And then when it's time to sleep, you can easily put down your bed right here. 400 pound capacity. Don't stand under the bed with your camera when you are putting the bed down. And the bed will go down and you can adjust where you want it to go. We're just gonna kind of put it just down to there so we can finish up the tour and Tom can pass. If I had the camera, I'd throw it down and say, "You shall not pass." But that's not the way we work in the Outlaw 29J. So a totally decked out, loaded garage. You even have a vent back here, so everything you need for comfortable living. We'll work our way in. First thing we'll do is we'll talk about some storage over here. Closet, ladder for the overhead bunk stores there. Another closet here. You can use this as a pantry, adjustable shelves, hang some clothes, whatever you need. Couple of drawers. And then you have your fuse box here. And then as we switch sides, we'll open the bath and here we go. Everything you need, like lots of counter space in here, large medicine cabinet. You have your shower back there. The shower's on a wand, skylight, everything you need in a bathroom on the go. Behind the door, are the controls for your one-touch leveling jacks and the thermostat for your roof AC. Lots of other controls to talk about. Now you're thinking, wait a minute, where did the control panel on the wall go? That's right here. Check this out. So the control panel that used to be on the wall is now here in your touch and go control. Everything you need to put out your slides, turn on your tank heaters. You also can scroll through the radio, everything you need in here, Bluetooth, Android Auto, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, and Auto Gen Start from here as well. 4,000 watt gas generator on here. You can set this to work how you want. You also have a mobile app for it, and on the door, there's a button you can press and you can turn your Auto Gen Start on just like that. So everything in the control panel is now here. It's now digital. You can take it with you. You're gonna love everything about the touch and go control. And while I'm up here, I'll just name off a couple of quick things. Ford chassis, 7.3 liter V8, backup cameras, side view cameras, everything you need for a very comfortable drive, cup holders and lots of storage. And right up here, our over the cab bunk, 800-pound capacity. There's the TV right there. And then we get into our seating configuration here. So you're going to have seat belts for 6 in here, sleeping in the garage. Just lift up and you have a bed right here, sleeping up here so everybody on board can sleep comfortably. And what I love about the 29J is just the versatility depending on what you want to do. So these tables here can be positioned. You can put 2 here, you can put 2 here, you can put them there, you can put them here. You can just completely store them out of the way, make it work for you. And while you're sitting here, nice shelf back here, wireless charging, USB-A and USB-C, speaker over here and over there, which are tied into the dash radio for the ride. Plenty of storage right up top in all of these beautiful cabinets here. This is our gray ghost decor with the Galley collection. I love just how light and bright it is. And then you get this great flip up countertop extension. So you're taking out all the goodies from the 12-volt fridge. Remember, you have Auto Gen Start on here and that 4,000 watt gas generator right here for your prep area. You have your sink, nice roll out cover, store everything right up here. Lots of great storage in here. Pull down sprayer, then to all of the cooking magic. Your convection microwave, your 3-burner gas cooktop, more storage down below here. And check this out, another drawer down below, 3 drawers over here, so you're going to have plenty of storage in the toy hauler you didn't know you wanted until now. I know this has just been a quick spin. You want all the specs. You want the MSRP. You want to learn more about this Outlaw 29J? Well, you can do that right now at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?